I was just looking for an expression of me, thinking, what would I do if I owned this place? I wanted to be surrounded by things that brought me joy. And I started Googling and looking at things and beginning the journey. And one day I found myself at the Rosemount showroom in Oakleigh. I had a really clear idea of what I wanted. And then Chantel arrived and she was like, oh my God, this is so exciting. We're gonna really build something amazing. Chantel was really good at finessing. And I started actually with wallpaper. In my bathroom, it's like tropical wallpaper with cheetahs and fish and birds all in the jungle. And the boys were like, this is really full-on wallpaper. But by the end, every one of them picked an animal that represented them, which is a little bit confronting when I go there in the morning. I have to say good morning to all the team. In my walk-in pantry, there's also wallpaper in there. I'm a firm believer in lamps and mood lighting, and I have a down light above the brass splashback. The people that worked on that really took a great deal of care. So it is like a statement art piece. And the thing I love most is my bin. Because I can chop veggies and pull the bin out and scoop them in. I'm about to do my second bathroom and another room. It just brings me joy. It genuinely brings me joy. So a warning to anyone, if you're going to use Rosemount, you're just going to need a lot of rooms because you want them to come back.